Hello, Math Masters, and welcome back to Math Masters Card Games. I am here to teach you another card game you can play with your family or your friends. This week's card game is called Thinking of a Number. You can play with any number of players, but I'm going to show it to you today with 2 players. You need 1 deck of cards, and you need to remove all of the picture cards first before you begin playing. Okay, so for thinking of a number, you need to spread your cards out in an arc, face up, such as how I did here. You need to remove all of the picture cards. And I'm going to ask my cameraman for some help here. So each player basically takes turns calling out a number. So my cameraman is going to call out the first number.
How about 10?
Okay, so now the first player goes and they try to use addition or subtraction to make 10. So the first player is going to pick out a 6 and a 4 and say 6 plus 4 equals 10, and they collect that by their side. Then the next player goes and they choose 2 cards that will either have a sum of 10 or a difference of 10. And so this player chooses 8 and 2. 8 plus 2 equals 10. So they each have 2 cards. They each were able to make the number that was called out. Now the other player, which is going to be me, will call out a number, and I'm going to call out 4. So this player could choose a 7 and a 3 and say 7 minus 3 equals 4, and they will put that there. And then the next player will go, and they might choose 9 minus 5 equals 4, and put that in their pile. And you keep going on this way with the partners, each calling out different numbers, whatever they want, and each player choosing different number combinations to either add or subtract to make that sum or difference. That, my friends, was thinking of a number. If you would like to make the game a little more difficult, you can use 3 card combinations, you can use addition and subtraction together, or you can pull out cards to make either 1 2-digit number or 2 2-digit numbers to do your addition and subtraction. There's many ways to make this game easier or harder depending on your level of math. Another thing is, the goal of this game, or the way that you win, is once there is not many cards left in your arc, or the arc is completely gone, you've used all of the cards, or the cards that are left can't be used anymore, then each player counts up the amount of cards that they have, and the person with the most cards wins. Thank you for joining me this week, and I'll see you next week with a new Math Masters card game. Bye!